Hello, I'm good Scott McLaren, Wally to my friends. And you, well, you'll be in a lot of trouble if the yard foreman finds you up here. But before you go, let me tell you something about my job. This noisy, sugary old van goes at the end of the train, and I work my van brake so as to stop it running away in the downhills. One day, trains will have automatic brakes work on every wagon, but we don't have that sort of luxury in 1920. There's good strains of brakes fitted on the locomotive and on the brake van, and if these are not enough to hold her on the downhills, then we have to stop and use that brake stick opposite there to lever on a few wagon hand brakes as power we gang out of the top. The wagons is like couplings, and I have to use the van brake as we run into a dip in the line to keep them tight, or else we get a snatch and can break a coupling. Then away goes the engine with our first part of the train, and me left behind, screwing on the van handbrake for dear life to stop the rear half of the train running away. Man, I have to know every inch of the road, aye, in the raw weather and pitch black night day, and with this old van swaying about like a thing possessed. I keep a red tail lamp on the van, so when we pass the signal box, the signalman knows from the lamp that the train is on one piece. But now we're right away for Carlisle, so you best be off before the foreman catches you.